Get ready to take your exploration to new heights with Tech and Gadgets Explorer. In this thrilling video, we unveil the 6 best cheap camera drones for beginners. From exceptional flight stability to stunning camera quality, we'll showcase the top contenders that won't break the bank. Join us as we guide you through these affordable drones, highlighting their user-friendly controls, cutting-edge safety features, and adherence to regulations. Whether you are a photography enthusiast or a curious adventurer, these drones are your ticket to breathtaking aerial experiences. It's time to elevate your adventures with Tech and Gadgets Explorer. Let's soar together! Get ready to soar to new heights with the DEERC D20, an absolute game-changer for beginners seeking an exhilarating drone experience. Packed with immersive features and cutting-edge technology, this drone will revolutionize your aerial adventures. The DEERC D20 boosts exceptional flight stability with a 720p high-resolution camera. It captures stunningly detailed footage and breathtaking aerial shots that will leave you in awe. Equipped with a mid-level battery, the DEERC D20 offers an extended flight time of up to 20 minutes, allowing you to capture more stunning moments from the sky. Its reliable controller range of up to 100 meters ensures seamless control and uninterrupted connectivity. Don't miss out on the ultimate drone experience. Unleash your inner pilot and take flight with the DEERC D20 today. Prepare to be amazed by the Potensic A20 Mini, a true powerhouse in the world of compact drones. This little marvel is bound to make your drone flying dreams a reality, offering an unrivaled experience that will leave you in awe. The Potensic A20 Mini excels in ease of use, making it an ideal choice for beginners. With its intuitive controls and user-friendly interface, you'll be taking to the sky in no time. Fly with confidence as this drone provides exceptional flight stability, allowing for smooth and controlled maneuvers. Don't let its size fool you. The A20 Mini offers an impressive controller range, ensuring seamless connectivity up to 15 meters. Take advantage of its extended flight time and battery life, allowing you to explore the aerial world for longer periods. Capture unforgettable moments with the built-in camera, delivering quality footage that will impress even seasoned photographers. Safety is a top priority, and this drone is equipped with protective features like propeller guards, ensuring a worry-free flight experience. This remarkable gadget is a must-have for any drone enthusiast in 2023. Embrace the thrill of flight and let the Potensic A20 Mini redefine your drone adventures today. Up next, introducing the Hiturbo S20, a foldable quadcopter that takes your aerial adventure to new heights. Its advanced stabilization system ensures smooth, steady flights, allowing you to capture breathtaking footage with precision and ease. With an impressive controller range, you can effortlessly explore the skies and unleash your creativity from greater distance. Equipped with a high-quality 1080p camera, the Hiturbo S20 lets you capture stunning photos and videos that will mesmerize your audience. Two batteries provide you with up to 24 minutes of flying experience, unleashing your creativity without interruptions. The Hiturbo S20 is designed for ease of use, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced pilots. From its intuitive controls to its quick setup, this drone is ready to fly in no time. Unleash your inner pilot with the Oviliee mini drone, a compact powerhouse that's designed to take your drone adventures to the next level. With its intuitive controls and user-friendly interface, even beginners can take flight with confidence. Experience unparalleled flight stability, allowing for smooth and controlled maneuvers that will make your footage stand out from the crowd. Capture the world from breathtaking angles with a high-quality camera, ensuring your memories are crystal clear. With an extended flight time and impressive battery life, you can immerse yourself in the sky for up to 15 minutes, capturing stunning footage without interruptions. Explore with confidence as the Oviliee mini drone offers an impressive controller range of up to 50 meters, giving you the freedom to push your boundaries. In 2023, elevate your drone game with a product that is truly worth buying. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Brace yourselves for an extraordinary flying experience with the Holystone HS440, a drone that will redefine your perception of flight. The Holystone HS440 prioritizes ease of use, making it the perfect companion for pilots of all levels. With its intuitive controls and streamlined design, you'll be soaring through the skies in no time. Experience unrivaled flight stability, ensuring smooth maneuvers and precision control during every flight. Capture stunning aerial imagery with HS440's high-quality camera, which delivers impressive clarity and vibrant colors. Revel in extended flight time and battery life, allowing you to extend your exploration for up to 20 minutes per charge. The extended controller range of up to 100 meters gives you the freedom to push the boundaries of your creativity. Don't miss the chance to own this remarkable drone in 2023. It's a worthy investment that will elevate your drone game to new heights. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare to be captivated by the cutest flying companion you have ever seen. Introducing the ATTOP X Pack 2, a drone that combines adorable aesthetics with remarkable performance. The ATTOP X Pack 2 is designed with ease of use in mind, making it a perfect choice for beginners and seasoned pilots alike. Its intuitive controls and user-friendly interface ensures a seamless flight experience. Don't let its charming appearance fool you. The X Pack 2 boasts impressive camera quality, capturing clear and vibrant footage from the sky, with a flight time of up to 5 to 6 minutes. Take control with an extended controller range that allows you to fly up to 15 to 20 meters away, giving you the freedom to soar high and wide. Own this remarkable drone in 2023 and be the envy of every pilot. Don't miss out on this opportunity to experience the perfect blend of adorable aesthetics and impressive functionality. Thanks for joining us on our adventure through the 6 best cheap camera drones for beginners. But wait, there's more. Ready to take flight and explore the skies? Check out the links in the description below to get your hands on these incredible drones. Join our tech-loving community and stay up to date with the latest gadgets and trends. Hit that subscription button now and let's continue this exciting journey together.